Hi, my name is Daniela Rocha. I want to present my project. I would like to begin with the specification. The first requirement is the pages. My website have 3 pages, one for the Google search, one for the Google image search, and one for Google advanced search. The second point is the query text. When I type in a query and click in Google search, I am taken to the Google search result. My search bar is centered with round corners. The search button is also centered. With the query image, it's the same. I can type in a query and see the results for that page. The query advance. When I provide input for the 4 fields, I will be taken to the Google Advanced Search result. Appearance. The 4 options are stacked vertically and the text fields are left aligned. The Advanced Search button is blue with white text. Lucky. It works like the I am feeling lucky Google's button. The users the user go directly to the first Google search result. The appearance of my web page is similar to Google's. That's all. Thank you for watching.